Dramatic shift in French politics. Will it impact Muslims? The upcoming French elections are said to be a pivotal moment for the country and its diverse population, especially the significant Muslim community. As political pundits and polls suggest, the rise of the far right national rally, the embattled position of President Emmanuel Macron, and potential shifts in legislative power paint a complex and challenging future. Let's explore these developments, possible outcomes, and their implications for Muslims in France. France's political scene is currently dominated by the significant rise of Marine Le Pen's national rally, projected to secure around 31% of the vote. This surge marks a historical high for the party, reflecting growing nationalist and anti-immigration sentiments among the electorate. In response, President Emmanuel Macron has called for a snap election, a high-stakes maneuver aimed at regaining political ground and countering the far right's momentum. Macron's Renaissance Party is expected to garner approximately 15% of the vote, placing it in a precarious position behind the far right. The socialists, led by Raphael Glucksmann, are polling around 14%, while the far left La France Insoumise is expected to receive about 10%. Les Républicains and Europe Ecology, the Greens, are projected to receive around 7% and 5% respectively. The French electoral system, particularly for the National Assembly, employs a two-round process. In the first round, if no candidate receives more than 50% of the vote, a second round is held between those who secured at least 12.5% of the votes. This system can lead to significant disparities between vote shares and seat allocation, often benefiting parties with strong regional bases and the ability to form alliances. In contrast, the European Parliament elections use a proportional representation system with closed lists, making it easier for smaller parties to gain seats based on their national vote share. This difference in electoral systems means that the impact of the upcoming elections will vary across different levels of government. The potential outcomes of these elections are numerous, each carrying different implications for governance and policy direction. First, national rally dominance. If Marine Le Pen's party continues its upward trajectory and manages to secure a substantial number of seats in the National Assembly, France could see a shift towards more stringent immigration policies and a focus on national identity. Le Pen's rhetoric and policies have often been described as Islamophobic, advocating for measures like banning the hijab in public spaces and restricting Muslim immigration. Macron's coalition government, the second case. Should Macron's Renaissance Party manage to form a coalition with other centrists or left-leaning parties, it could mitigate the impact of the far right's rise. However, Macron's previous policies, such as the controversial anti-separatism law, have also faced criticism for disproportionately targeting Muslims and Islamic institutions under the guise of preserving secularism. Third, left-wing coalition. A coalition involving the Socialist Party, La France Insoumise and other left-leaning parties could focus on social justice, anti-discrimination and inclusive policies. These parties generally advocate for minority rights and oppose policies that they view as targeting Muslims unfairly. However, their ability to form a stable government would depend on overcoming significant political differences and achieving a coherent policy agenda. Fourth, fragmented parliament. A highly fragmented parliament with no clear majority could lead to political instability and frequent legislative gridlock. Such a scenario would likely require ad hoc alliances and compromises, potentially delaying significant policy initiatives and creating an unpredictable environment for all citizens, including Muslims. The outcome of these elections will have profound implications for Muslims in France. The far right's rise represents a direct challenge to Muslim communities, with policies aimed at restricting religious freedoms and promoting a homogenized national identity that excludes multiculturalism. Le Pen's proposals, such as banning the hijab in public and tightening immigration laws, could exacerbate social tensions and contribute to a climate of fear and discrimination. In contrast, a government led by Macron or a left-wing coalition could continue to emphasize secularism, but with varying degrees of inclusivity and support for minority rights. Macron's administration has already introduced laws that some critics argue unfairly target Muslims under the pretext of combating extremism. The left-wing parties, while supportive of minority rights, would need to balance their secular principles with the need to protect religious freedoms and address social inequalities. The forthcoming French elections are poised to be a turning point, not just for the political establishment, but for the diverse fabric of the French society. For the Muslim community, the stakes are particularly high. The potential rise of the far right poses a direct threat to religious freedoms and social integration, while other political configurations offer varying degrees of support and inclusivity. As France navigates this complex political terrain, the outcomes will resonate deeply, shaping the nation's identity and its commitment to liberty, equality, and fraternity for all its citizens. As we approach these critical elections, it's essential to stay informed and engaged. The decisions made at the ballot box will shape the future of France and the lives of its people. For Muslims in France, these elections represent a critical moment in the ongoing struggle for equality, justice, and the right to practice their faith. Stay tuned as we continue to follow these developments and their impact on French society. Thank you.